Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si John Makina, and today we'll be reviewing this very beautiful Kids Blaster from Shengye. It's a new brand. Okay. This unit is again from our good friend from Hydro Blaster SMNL. You can see, look at this very beautiful box. Oh, it's nice. I love it. So cool. This unit is an all ABS. Yes, it's an all ABS construction. This is a Kids Blaster, but it's fully featured. Magazine Prime. There's a standard M-lock rail. There's not a loudiner. This is not smoke tracer. It's oops, it's off. Where's the button? Oh, I've used up all the gels. It's not smoke. It's foam. No. It's water vapor tracer. So it looks like smoke, but it's actually water vapor. So it looks really nice. And since this is an MP5, ammo is very limited. So I'm just was trying it earlier and I already lost one mag. Good thing with this one is comes with a battle mag. Yeah. So ammo is not that much of an issue, although it's for right-handed. So okay. Very nice. But for the testing, short high cap mags and firing. See? And smoke. Oh, I think I've used up all the water vapor. This is a Spitfire water vapor tracer. Not tracer, Spitfire. So really nice. Comes also with a fake. It's actually magnified, non-adjustable scope. So it looks really cool. And this is an retractable stock. Again, really cool. Huh? So if you want to do gung-ho, nice. Trades. There are some trades. See? Yeah. And aim point. Is it proper? Aim pointer. The last one is an R. Kalene M by 19. Here also. Really nice. Features comes with safe, semi, full auto. So really nice. Magazine Prime and HK slap. But don't do that, you might break it. So it's light tap only. It's nice. Battery space. One of the cons is this is a non-standard battery. It looks like the ones from not Lehui. Yes, Lehui comes with this kind of batteries. And handy. So there will be no upgrade options. But then again, this is a Kids Blaster. You use it to enjoy it. Battery space is the same. BB capacity is one long mag with limited capacity and one battle mag. So you have lots of ammo. Weight, this is barely 1 kilo. It's very light. It feels cheap. But again, it is cheap. Upgrades, there is no upgrades. FPS, this is 150 FPS, something like that. So, it reaching the 10-meter mark, it goes down. So, you need to tilt it up a little bit for it to reach the farther places. Although it comes with a free metal hop up. So again, lots of accessories. Comes with sling also. Sling. And if you don't want to use the flash hider, it's really nice. Also thread. So you can also use my hop up. Haha. Price, I forgot to ask the price. 3,000 something like that. You can PM Hydro Blasters MNL in the comment section. Overall, it looks really nice. It's a very good collection piece. In the game, could be. And it has a battle mag, so it's competitive. And it looks really, really, really cool. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put them down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Chin!